Hi, I'm Rob, Little Frog Farm. We are the growers for Josh's Frogs. Today I'm going to show you a plant kit that you can order from Josh's Frogs for setting up your own vivarium. We have several groups of plants that we sell in these plant kits. Let's start with some bromeliads. These are what we call our small growing bromeliads. This one is Ryan's Pride. Here's a few more. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. There's another one. So when you order a kit, you never know exactly what you're going to get, but it'll be something like that. Now also in one of those kits we would offer you some vining plants. We sell vining plants in several forms. This is a typical way people might order a vining plant. This is some cuttings that you could buy, and these you could just pin to the background or put on the substrate and they'll root right away. They're really easy to grow in a vivarium. Or we might send a plant that's already in potting soil. We don't actually send the whole potting soil. We knock off as much of that soil as we can to save on the shipping costs. Then we would also have some ferns. This is an example of a fern. This is white rabbit's foot. And this is not a fern, but we call it a fern. This is a Selaginella. They're related to ferns. This is gold tips spike moss. We'd also send some what we call tropical plants. These are plants that you could put on the background or you could put in the substrate. That would include something like this. This is a peperomia. This is a species called Peperomia glabella. It's about yay tall, and if you pinch it back, it'll stay bushy. This is another cute little peperomia. This is Cupid. It looks like a little bush. This is one of our very best sellers. This is Pilea. This is Pilea tiny tears. Very similar to what we call baby tears, which is also a Pilea the way we sell it. Baby tears has slightly bigger and thicker leaves, but this is tiny tears. This one is Paulownia, waffle, or, well, let's just call it waffle. Okay, this is a rooted plant. Notice it's actually rooted. Okay, we try to sell everything that is actually well established. What else? Oh, one more plant here in this kit, and that would be this. This is an Alocasia. Black velvet. It'll get about yay tall, and eventually the leaves will get about like that. So that's actually, it's kind of neat to see a frog sitting on there. So that's just an introduction to this this little plant kit. Of course, you can order all these individually if you wished on the website, or you can order them as a group. Either way, we'll be happy to send you some.